did the signature style or 1.5 hour leg massage. Hi everyone, I just finished a very stressful month of school and work, so I decided to plan a 2-day 1-night trip in JB. So I'll be doing my nails and my lashes today, and first up I'm here for breakfast because I have about 20 minutes to spare before my appointment. I'm early. My lashes will be done at Pen Style at Sutra area, so this is my before. I only have a few strands left from my previous appointment, so I'm gonna do 3D lashes today. See ya! They didn't have much available, so just kway teow and meat soup, I guess. Just finished doing my lashes. I did the signature style with lash remover for 20 ringgit. So total was 260 ringgit. I finished in about, this took about 1 hour. I'm quite satisfied with the results. On the way to check into our hotel now. The room is very cute and small. Bathroom, toilet. This is the whole room. Cute. My nail appointment has been rescheduled to tomorrow 4 PM because my nail tech is on MC today. So after this, we're probably gonna go for lunch at a cafe nearby. Then maybe a massage. Anyways, I realized that eyelash extensions are so addictive. It's like I can't have bare lashes after I started. This is since my eyelid surgery, and it's so nice. I'm quite satisfied. Very happy. This is my nails after 1 month. The charm has fallen out. Quite a bit of grow out. The French nail looks a bit funny after growing out. I can't wait to get them done. We're at JWCU Cafe, and this is my 3rd time here. I've always gotten the same thing, the seared salmon bowl because it's so good. Then I got a Isuzu matcha milk as well. Total was 109 for 2 mains, 1 side and 1 drink. Just finished a 1.5 hour leg massage. It was 100 ringgit. I guess it was alright. Maybe, don't know what we're gonna do next. Maybe go back to the hotel. Let's see. Bye! The hotel we're staying in, the Square Hotel, cost about 120 ringgit per night. Our hotel is there. And there's a mall here called Classic Mall. That's original classic. Tea. And there's Manicure over there at the other end. I'm so sad. Everything at Manicure is sold out. And there's not much in that mall. But I saw a pair of Vans for 151 ringgit. I might get it later. I don't know. But now we'll go back to the hotel and probably order in some snacks. These 2 for 21 ringgit. If I bought this, I get this at half price. Not bad. By the way, look at my bag. It's so cute. I saw a Malaysian YouTuber, Christine Tay. She posted it and I had to get it. It's a laptop bag, but I use it as a normal bag. So nice. I just finished showering and now I'm gonna use the toolkit that my lash place provided me with. I'm halfway drying my hair and the dryer died. I think it overheated. I don't know. I barely used it. Anyways, I ordered dinner from Laksa, my favorite laksa place in JB. I didn't know they have an outlet in Sutra area, I thought they only had an outlet at Mount Austin. So I was pretty happy when I saw it on GrabFood. When I go Mount Austin, I'll always order it in to my hotel, or I'll go and have it for supper. I ordered a set of 8 takoyakis as well, and lashes after the shower. Good night. Hello. We're going across the road to have breakfast because it rained so suddenly. Our plans have to change as well. Yesterday we stumbled upon this Hong Kong or local cafe which has mee siam and nasi lemak and stuff. Mee siam, nasi lemak, bean curry, kaya toast. More now because it's raining so heavily. I was scrolling TikTok last night and I saw Stars Archery, so I decided to try it out. I've seen it a few times in the mall but haven't had the time to try out, and now we got some time to spare before my nail appointment, so I'm very good at hitting the center of the paper. It was very fun, but I suck. Sometimes I hit, but then the arrow just falls off, or I hit the other arrow, then both arrows fall off. But it's okay, it's quite fun. I enjoyed it. Fun. We paid 20 ringgit for 40 tokens, then the games are about 3 to 6 tokens each. It's quite fun. We played for about 15 to 20 minutes. There's no, what's that called? There's no prizes though, so you really just play for fun. Prize. I just finished my mani-pedi. It's so nice. I let her choose the design because I've been with her. This is my second time, so I trust her with her design. Then we say we wanted to go to a cafe and she suggested this cafe down the road. It's called Mako Cafe. They have desserts, snacks. They have pizzas here too. Got myself a tea because it was very cold just now. Lemongrass and ginger tea. Mushroom soup, creme brulee, and a snake splatter. Tea! Just finished dinner and it's so filling. It was 231 ringgit for 4 of us. We got chili crab, grilled squid, stingray, baby kailan, and I have a food baby now. We're going back to Singapore now, so bye! Just where I end the vlog.